Okay, your next one here is Luke 6:3. And here it says, Tenes de ton pharisaion epon te poieta ha uk exesten tois sabason. Okay, and what is the translation here? It is now some of the Pharisees said, "Why do you do what is not permitted on the Sabbath?" Now, what do we see in there that we learned recently? So first of all, we have that indefinite pronoun here, tenes. Now notice where the accent is. It is not in the beginning of the word, it's in the end. So we are not dealing with an interrogative. We are here, but we are not here. And we translate this some of the Pharisees. And the indefinite pronoun here is functioning substantively, meaning it's standing in for a noun. Some of the Pharisees. The nominative here is some. You could really take this out and it would still basically work. Some said. Yeah, that makes sense. Some said. Now, some what? Some of the Pharisees said. But this is the nominative, and the Pharisees is in the genitive, qualifying what some is. Some chickens, some roosters? No, some Pharisees said. And what did they say? Notice the colon there. It's introducing direct speech. Why? Now notice that is, so here's it's the interrogative. Notice there's the accent in the beginning. A pronoun that introduces a question, an interrogative pronoun. And some options are who, what, which, why. We want why for this one. Why do you do, and then we have this relative pronoun. Now we know it's a relative pronoun. Do I have this here? Yes, because relative pronoun differs from the article in that it always has both the accent mark and the rough breathing mark. You got to get both of those, and you know you're dealing with the relative article. You only have the rough breathing mark. I'm sorry, you get both of those, you know you're dealing with the relative pronoun. If you only have one, the breathing mark, you know that you're dealing with the article. So we're not dealing with the article here. We are dealing with the relative pronoun. Why do you do what is not lawful, not permitted on the Sabbath? Okay, well, I think that's clear. Let me know if you have any questions.